Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this short video I will say a few words about the Gradient Able, the Django version that has been recently updated to a newer code base and also other evolutions like Teamable UI, where the design is no longer hard-coded inside the product and comes from an external library. This is visible if we open up the requirement file, and we can see that the design Django admin gradient uses this version. Basically, the external library that styles the starter can be used in any Django application, new or legacy. On top of this, the code base comes with continuous integration, continuous deployment support. If we use the product on render, so basically we can deploy it without much efforts on render deployment platform with just a few clicks. Okay, let's start a product in a local environment using Docker. Um, this can be done super easily in case you have Git command line tool and also Docker. This using Docker setup. It's a convenient way to start a product, and the scripts provided by the starter are performing all the necessary steps, and we can start a product without typing all the manual commands in less than 1 minute. Let me demonstrate how it works. So of course all the installation in manual build steps are saved on the README, but if anyone prefers Docker, the product also comes with Docker support. So I will use VS Code to open up the source code. Might be a good idea in all cases to open the README and read carefully all the instructions. Regarding Docker, we just need to execute this command in the root of the project, and the application should be up and running without any other without typing any other commands. Okay, now the project should be usable in the browser. Let me access it. Okay, this is the default page that is visible to the guest users. In order to unlock all the pages, we need to create a new user using the authentication pages. Okay, the application is not shipped with any default user, so we need to create a new one in order to bypass the sign up, bypass the sign in. So we can see that all the pages provided by the kit are available here. So from this point we can use the application. Another thing is that the product styles also the admin section reserved for super users, and to see the admin section, of course, we need to create to use the create super user subcommand and authenticate later in the application. Let's deploy the product on render just to check out how it works, the live deployment. For newcomers, render is Heroku-like platform with a super decent pricing and also some simple and intuitive documentation and interface, and in our opinion it's super nice and easy to deploy products on render. And based on this point, we decided to use it for our deployment automations. Okay, I will go here to the blueprint section. We need to wait to let render this detect the what type of project is, and this should be done without issues, because the code base is shipped with 2 files that helps render to detect the type of the project, this YAML that informs the entry point in our application and the environment that the application requires in order to be deployed. And the second file is this super minimal bash script that performs some basic steps like install all the modules, collect static, and also migrate the database. Okay, let's go back to the deployment page and check out the progress. Okay, so the compilation log looks good, and the renderer informs us that the application is up and running, and we can access the app in the browser. So this is the application is fully usable, and basically the same thing as the local version. So guys, thanks for watching. This is the product. Feel free to use it. It's free. It's licensed under the MIT, which means anyone can use the sources, update the code, sell the end product to a client, or simply use the product for the learning activities. In all cases, if you have issues, access here the support page, send us an email, or simply join the Discord, where we have a super nice community and more than 1,000 members, and in all cases we will try to help. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.